Hi again. Today we will discuss some crypto trading ideas and possible targets and maybe possible entries for the next bull run. Because I think some coins will make new highs, but others I doubt that they will make any new highs. Maybe they will go up a little bit, but not new highs, to be honest. I will start with Bitcoin. This one, I think it will make a new high. I use actually a simple Fibonacci retracement tool and use also past performance, which is it's not what happened in the past doesn't necessarily mean that it will happen in the future, but I just use it for forecasting the the possible maybe targets. As you can see before, it happened that we had this impulsive move to the upside, which is around the first half of 19, which what we are seeing here actually, the first half of 22, which means 2 years, no, 1 year before the halving. So it is the same here, 1 year before the halving. We have this move upside, back, retraced back to the level of 88, and then went to the extension of 6, and then went back down. So if this happens again, we can expect that Bitcoin will reach, if it reached 6, may not reach 6, may even reach here, just around 60, and doesn't make new highs. But I think this one, I will expect it to go here. This is my target, which is around 110K. Maybe I will take my profits if I am buying Bitcoin, but I will not buy Bitcoin, to be honest. I will buy other coins because, as I said before in other videos, that I think Bitcoin will give me a very good profit, but not good enough. I mean, and if you compare it with the other cryptos, because Bitcoin is very expensive for a coin. So even if it moves from, maybe if we say it come back to maybe 80,000 or even to 18,000 or even to 15,000, and goes to like 100K, that's a good move, but it's 6x, so it's 6 times your money. While there are other coins out there that can provide way much more than this. So I just use it because Bitcoin has an influence to other coins. So it's important to know where are we standing for the Bitcoin. So that's for the Bitcoin. For Ethereum, this is one that I will be interested in buying. I will first remove drawings, and Ethereum is a little bit tricky short than the Bitcoin because we have this thing here. I don't like buying in when you see a trend line, because normally they get liquidated and then they go up. But if we say that, as I said before, they normally get liquidated, so I will look for entry to liquidate this trend line. So I will not buy here, I'll not buy here. I may, which is a very good entry. How you know that it's a very good entry? because if you look here, you have here double tops, double bottoms, sorry. And then what here? Double bottoms again. What here? What's here is a very good order block that I will be interested in buying in it. I may miss the move, I don't care, but I will be buying Ethereum only if it comes here, which is around 1000k. Sorry, $1,000. It's 1k per coin, which will provide us with a very good entry. Our target. This is also one of the coins that I think will make a new high. You can use also this before, this one here, and look, it reached the extension of 3.38. So if we look at this move and wait for retracement, and then it may reach this. This is the primary target, but I don't like this target. I think it's will go way above. If you use this here, and we have this retracement to around 77 and 88, and let's say we will get out. I will be greedy, maybe 1.61, maybe here. And maybe here, which will be around 28k per coin. And also I also like the 4 extension, or maybe here it will be 20k is also a very good target. So if you buy it at 1, exit maybe at 60k, 20k, 16k, or 20k, or around 10k. It's a very good risk to reward ratio. Our third coin for today will be NEO. I removed drawings. This one, I don't think it will make a new high. We even have this. It may do a new high, but I don't think in this bull run, because we have this. So I expect something here if we say that we are having our crypto bull run around like November, let's say November 25. So it will be around here. So I will be expecting actually something like around 66 or 65. And actually, if you really use also something like this, because you have also this impulse and this correction right now, so I will be happy to buy it maybe around, wait for it to fill this gap here. Or I think 7 will be a very good entry. And as you can see here, if we take the 6 extension, how it will look like, exactly around 63. So I will take it from 7 to 63, which is also a very good risk to reward ratio. Fourth one is Tezos. I will do just another one more, and that will be it for today. I have already marked teasers. I won't remove the drawings. As you can see here, actually, we have this gap here from way before, and actually price reacted from it and gave us this impulse, and now it is retracing back. And we have also a strength on the US dollar, so I think it may retrace back a little bit more. I have actually marked this area here. I think maybe I marked this way before. I think, yeah, I think it's a gap, maybe a daily gap. Yeah, it's like a daily gap here that I've marked, but I won't be. I don't like to be very greedy because sometimes you will miss a move because just you waited like for the price to go like maybe 5 cents lower, and you miss the whole move, the 4 years of your life. So actually, I will be happy to have an entry under this. As I said before, you always look for price to first take um, liquidity and then goes up, because if it doesn't take liquidity, it will never go up. Put that in your mind. So you won't be missing anything if you buy here. You say it's a very good price, I don't want to miss it. No, it's not going to go anywhere if it didn't break this line. So I will wait for it to break here, maybe around 85 cents. And also the best entry will be here in this candle here. If I get entry around 75 cents, I will be very happy. And I will hold it for the target, which is, I think, will be, I don't know if, I think also this one will fail. Another failure to make a new high. And as I said before, if you use it like this, it's just, as I said before, it's just forecasting. It doesn't mean that this will happen, but just expectations. Here, November 25, which will be around 5.9 if we have it at 6. So it will be a very good also risk to reward ratio from 75 cents to $6. But I may not hold it till here. I will exit here around 6. I don't want to be greedy, which is around 5.4. You don't have it to take it all the way up because you don't know when the price to reverse. If you look here, price reversed very fast. It just went up and then a wicked. If you didn't take profits here, so you'll be trapped for like for 4 years, for another 4 years. So you don't have to take it all the way up. The fifth one is for today is Cardano. This one has a very good potential, but I also don't think I will look for another chart. I don't like this chart because it starts from 21. This one is good. I think I've marked it before. So as you can see here, price did run here, and then this was 28, sorry, 18, 2018, and then we have this retracement and then another bull run here. I'm not sure about this one because part of me it is telling me that it will make a new high, and the other part is telling me no, it won't. Why is that? Because normally you can sense it from here. if you have this as a very good leg, as this is the confirmation for entry, right? This is the confirmation of our entry, because first we had this gap here. So we were waiting for this gap. We were looking for a reaction from this gap to give us a reaction to the upside so that we can enter this trade. So we have this confirmation here with this move to the upside. But this confirmation is very doesn't have a very big momentum, as you can see here. It's a very good confirmation, yeah, but this is an old people that I've marked. It's a very good confirmation. But as I said before, in the other pairs or the other coins, I expected the price to go to the 6 level, mostly. So if this comes to 6, it will be like 1.5. And 6 is actually a very good and very high extension, because sometimes it doesn't even reach 6, because if it didn't reach 6, it means that it will maybe it will maybe fail here, 1.2, maybe here, but here we have a double tops. I will look better on weekly chart. So here maybe, but it's as I said before, double tops, maybe something above that, maybe here. So this is a very good target, I guess. I think it will be confluent with maybe 8. Yeah, around 8. We marked all the order block. So it may reach 2, actually. 2, and then I'm out. But this also means that this coin won't make a new high. If it goes and make new high, it will be maybe 16, which is around 3. And as I said before, I will exit mostly based on either target gets hit, or the other thing is I will wait for time. I mean, if we are in November 25 or December or October or November, here I will be willing to take my to cut all my crypto trades and get out, because the winter will start. I mean, the winter crypto winter, and also the real winter. So next video I will discuss 5 other coins. One of them is Quant, and I think also Quant will have a very huge upside in this crypto bull run, next one. So that's it for today, and follow for more.